trip down home.
Hey, thanks to you guys for working late tonight. Really appreciate it.
10-4. It's better than somebody getting caught in one. Oh, you got that right.
You coming up the hill, Richard? You coming up the hill? Oh. Did you guys drop David's trailer? Is he going to make it home? No, okay. This Brad's ahead of us with that empty flat, so anyway, okay, we won't worry about it then. Yeah, no kidding. Now that we know why. Well, the pass just now opened up.
That's all trucks. Whole bunch of trucks waiting at the bottom, ready to come up the hill to go north. It's hard to see them. It's not really focusing.
You know, we
very
caught
well.
up with Brad and Gary and Carl. Damn, that's kind of like the tunnel of love there, ain't it? Higher than your reel.
Well, it's pretty impressive. They gave you some motor practice, didn't it? A little bit.
Kind of like putting the St. Bernard through the gas store here.
They letting you come down, Gary?
We're on our way down, Andy. How long you been up there?
No, I've been up here since 3. There was another one that had been up here since 2, he said.
Holy shit.
How do you chain it up?
I did. I didn't want to be that guy.
Where you guys at?
The bass line, just out Jennifer.
Been having some big avalanches the last couple days.